Meta to release its Twitter competitor called Threads on July 6th. App Store and Play Store already show previews. Creators have already been invited to beta test. A rotating ad in the shape of the Milky Way. That's the current screensaver on Meta's soon-to-be-launched Twitter competitor Threads. Threads.net as Twitter might block the URL soon, similar to Substack. Since posts already were live until AdVerge reported this and might have caused the site to not be live again, I gladly was able to already take a few screenshots of the UI on the web accessed via mobile. Screenshotted via browser had a dark mode extension. It looks like Twitter and Instagram have a love child. Creators like iJustine apparently have been invited to beta test. Accounts and handles can apparently be taken over from Instagram. The change in the ownership of Twitter seems to have sparked a variety of new short blogging platforms: Mastodon, Substack Notes, Blue Sky, Nostro, Threads, Meta's Twitter competitor.